I'm sure you don't want me to break out my James Bond, Sean Connery, do you? I mean, it's so good.
Bond. James Bond.
Oh, I cracked myself up. Oh, car. Didn't expect that coming out of the woods. Isn't that our first car we've seen in 4 days on a trail back here? Outside the logging vehicles. Wow. Look at that.
Could be like Kenya or South Africa. What a change. Yeah. What are the chances that somebody out here like that?
We just talked about it on the comms.
Something sinister.
Yeah.
Just buried.
Go ahead, guys. Go on, Sean, I got it. Well, that looks fun. That was fun. I don't know if I would necessarily call this maybe a trail.
We've come off the track that I wanted us to be on. I think we're meant to be in that gentle gulch down there. I might connect up. See the white vehicle is over there. That's where we're going. That trail there, and then across that way.
We'll figure it out.
Let's go that way. Electrified. I can't remember tomorrow's route. We notionally go straight over here and over that cliff and then down to the hotel. And we'd have to break off the route to go and get gas. I'm sure we've got enough gas to get to the hotel's probably 7 miles from here. Maybe just have a look at tomorrow's route. So I know where the gas stations are. So I'll be a minute or two.
Just one chat over. Somehow I think we are on a separate expedition here. Yeah. That went through you for a good loop. I was wondering how that went, flipping like sideways 10 feet. Oh shit. Oh fuck. What the? Yeah, I think visor down is a good thing here. Holy shit balls.
we doing?
Fuck, it's fuck is going on here?
You don't know where we are, do you?
I can hear the banging of the trees on your helmet. Oh, we wanted an adventure, didn't we?
That looks like fun.
Dan, take a picture. Dude, I'm already done. I was trying to get a picture all the way up there. Okay.
Did we find where we are?
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Dan, I don't know what we're getting ourselves in here either. Oh, I got video, dude. Man, if you would have went down on that rock, it would have hurt. Yeah. Sean, go down. Sean, go down. You okay? Did you go down? Oh. Are you? Oh my God, you are. What? Yeah, oh yeah, we're coming.
Everyone okay?
Was it Dan or Sean?
Dan went down in the water.
Were you going too fast?
Yeah. I don't know, maybe.
That's beautiful up in there.
That was a freaking great afternoon, man.
So I won't do much mansplaining, but there's a good argument to be made that this is one of the most famous pictures in the history of cinema. And I mean, that means films or scenes, I mean the still. You know, the still extracted from the film. And certainly it's probably, if you were going to show somebody one picture that represented the idea of the cowboy film or the Western, then it would be this one. And that was taken just over there